Hi, this is Amy Jo, and today I'm going to show you a website that I built recently for Woodley Aerial Spray. On this website, I developed this diagonal theme for them, and I'm really pleased with how that turned out. So I want to show that off to you and also talk to you about mobile responsiveness. We're going to look at their locations page in order to do that. Now, mobile responsiveness refers to how well a website responds to different screen sizes. In modern web development, it's essential that a website can detect what size screen a user has and then display the website in a manner that fits on the screen and is still usable on that screen. So let's look at what the website looks like on a computer screen. Okay, and then on a tablet, this website actually looks pretty similar on a tablet. Um, Although we have switched from 3 columns to 2 columns here. And then on a phone, it switches to the hamburger menu. And we switch to 1 column on these, and this is going to stack. And the footer all stacks. Now, it's actually more complicated than that because, all phones are different size and all tablets are different sizes. So let me show you what it does, just kind of how it makes those adjustments on the fly. So if we go here, okay, so right about there, this part of the footer stacks because I wanted to keep this diagonal line going without just having a giant empty space here. So I wanted to fill that space, but then I didn't want an empty space over here either. So we've got things just stacking at different times to fill in the empty spaces. So now these social links have moved over here and the whole footer has stacked in order to be prepared for a pretty small phone screen here. And we can see that everything else still looks really good. We can watch the Illinois locations here. We're going to zoom back out to 2 columns, 3 columns, and then briefly back to 2 columns with the label on the side, and then back up to the full screen 3 columns. And one more time on this header, the menu right here required some custom code because the breakpoints that were built into the builder didn't quite fit with how I wanted the menu to behave. So right about here, we're starting to run out of room for the menu right here. And so instead of switching to the hamburger menu, which is what you would use on most tablets and on phones, I didn't want to switch yet because on a screen size, it's really best practice to keep the full menu visible. So in order to get that to stack like that, I did have to write some custom code. And that's one thing that sets me apart from amateur website builders. Whenever I build a website, I almost always find that there's something that I want to achieve or that the client wants to achieve that just isn't possible in the builder itself and just needs a little bit of custom code. On this website, I found that I actually only needed a small amount of code in order to achieve what I wanted. So here we have the coding for the menu to get that one little tweak that I needed. And then this is one way to achieve the different font sizes on the different size screens. And then these last few bits are some snippets that I use on several different websites to achieve different things for accessibility reasons or just to make things look nicer on the website as a whole. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I would love to work with you on any projects that you have coming up. So let me know what I can do for you. Thank you.